back to my channel again and again and again. Today, we're going to make onigiri. Since Holy Week ngayon, so I'm a Catholic, kailangan mag-abstinence from meat and fasting. Ito kasi yung request sa bahay, so I'll be making it. Ano ba yung onigiri? It's a Japanese comfort food. So, pwede siyang snack or pwede siyang regular meal. So, yung rice ball or yung onigiri, ang laman niya is any ulam or for example, spicy tuna or minsan crab meat or crab sticks na chinop or anything, basta any ulam na pwede mo ilagay sa loob. Pwede rin siyang regular kanin lang, timplahan mo lang siya ng kahit ano para magkalasa. So, we'll be making it today and I hope na, ayun, maging okay siya. First things first, yung mga ingredients for onigiri are as follows. Yung fillings niya, which I'm going to make it spicy tuna. So, trinay ko muna ito mega tuna na Spanish style kasi medyo maanghang siya ng onte. Tapos, ano din ako ng crab sticks. So, i-chop ko lang siya. Tapos, yun nga, lalagyan natin ng Japanese mayonnaise. And, of course, huwag natin kalimutan yung kanin. So, yung kanin is either you can have Japanese rice para authentic. Kuno, authentic. Pwede rin yung regular rice lang. Make sure lang na gawin mo siyang sticky.
Hiya, she measure water with cup again. All Asian people use finger. This is magic measuring.
A few moments later.
So, after you make your rice, so, yung feelings naman yung kailangan mong gawin. Hindi to yung feelings na, na feelings mo kay crush. No, hindi yon. Hindi yon. Feelings for the onigiri po, yon. So, first things first is that I'll do the spicy tuna. So, gagamit tayo yun nga, yung mega sardines. Ay, mega sardines, sorry. Mega tuna pala. And I drained it. So, binuksan ko na siya. So, drinain ko na siya. So, ito na yung pagka-drain niya. So, iniwalay ko na yung Ang gagawin ko sa kanya is piprituin ko muna siya. Papainit ko muna siya. So, I'll make sure na luto siya. Alam ko luto na siya, pero syempre, iba pa rin yung talagang lutong-luto. Dry ko talaga siya. Ayun. So, lagyan na natin itong ating tuna na drainin. So, ganyan. So, while niluluto ko siya, minamash ko na rin siya. So, minamash ko na rin siya. Alam muna tayo ng ating kailangan siya. Sobrang parang pinong-pino na talaga. Parang floss. So, hindi naman floss, pero kailangan medyo, siya, maninipis na siya. at dry na dapat siya. Kasi pag nilagyan mo na ng Japanese mayo, hindi siya mabasa-masa. So, yung pinaka-ano niya is yung nandun sa Japanese mayo. Hinalo mo na siya. Ayan. So, ayan yung isa natin yung sa ating tuna. So, next is, i-chop lang natin yung crab sticks. So, ito guys, yung gagawin natin. So, i-prepare naman natin yung crab sticks para sa isa pang filling nung onigiri natin. So, ito yung crab sticks. So, ito. So, tatanggalan natin siya, syempre, ng plastic kasi hindi kasama yung plastic doon, di ba, guys? Naman nakakabobo lang, di ba? So, tatanggalan natin siya ng plastic sa isa. Ayun. So, slice na natin. To 4. Yan. Tapos, after natin sila i-slice, so, parang himay-himayin natin siya. So, ano to? Uh, mano-mano to na paghimay. Ayan. So, after this, guys, let's move on to the next step. Ito na yung ating mga fillings. Pero wala pa siyang Japanese mayo. So, lalagyan pa natin siya ng Japanese mayo. So, ito na yung ating mga fillings. So, gagamit tayo ng Japanese mayo right here. Have a Japanese mayo ngayon. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya. It will depend on how much you like to have yung ating ano. Pero sa akin kasi halos isang ganito na yung kaya niya. To mix, mix, mix. And now, we're going to do the same thing for this one. Japanese mayo ulit. Halo-halo. Ulit siya, guys. Ito yung texture niya. So, pwede na natin to ilagay sa loob ng mga rice balls. FYI guys, I already did onigiri with my friends sa YouTube channel ni Soji Vlogs. So, you can check it out. I'll put the link on the description box so you could check it out also. We were making rice ball at our friend's house. So, ayun. So, this is my setup for making onigiri. So, there's the rice. Uh, the fillings and also the nori. So you're probably wondering what is this tool right here. So it's a tool that I'm be using to make onigiri. So it's faster and easier. I got this tip from my friend Sachi. Shout out to my friend Sachi. I bought this in Daiso. I forgot how much it is. I'll just post it on video. So how much it is. And also, kasi dapat talaga by hand siya ginagawa. But it's hard. It's really, really hard to shape it up. So you can use this tool to make it easier. This is how you use this tool to make onigiri. So you may notice that there are two holes, a big one and a small one. So it's your option to have a big onigiri or a small onigiri. So it comes along with a rice serving spoon here. So it's actually fit enough for the shaper. So you could just grab an amount of rice that you could put in the shaper. So I'll do it. I'll make a sample here. So right there. So you just have to shape it up. So that's why the serving spoon helps. The size of the serving spoon helps here. So it's up to you if you want what amount of rice to be put in. So once you have it shaped there with a hole in the middle, you have to grab your fillings. So depends on how much filling you want in your onigiri. So if I were you, I would have a big amount. Huwag kayo masyadong madamot sa paglagay ng fillings nito kasi ang pangit kasi, ang pangit lang. After this, you have to fill it up so that you can fill up the hole. So the fillings will be in tight in the middle. So right there. Then all you have to do is give it a push so it would shape right there. Ta-da! So it's shaped right there. See? It's shaped right there. Then with your nori, you have to have this, and you have to put it here. So yeah, so it is like in the anime. See, it's like in the anime. So I have just to put it here. So that's how I make it. It's easy. It's 1, 2, 3. So let me just make out one for the crab sticks. So it's same thing. And okay. And then have a handful of crab sticks. So make sure that you are really generous in putting the fillings on your onigiri, okay? So, ayun. Ayan. So, ayan. Lalagyan na natin. We'll just give it a push. There. So, ayan na. So, just have to put this nori in the middle. And I make my onigiri. So, if you like this content, you can comment down below kung anong gusto nyong pang gawin ko for this channel. And And don't forget to subscribe and like. And this is me again, Imina, and signing out. Bye-bye!